Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are new here, my name is Jen, and today's stamping theme, I think I'm going to call it Fall Mail, something kind of like that. For the base color, I have applied LA Colors in Blue Moon. So the plate I'm going to be using is Maniology MXM066, and we're going to get these stamps here and one other image. I'm going to use Maniology's Acorn B498 for the pickup, and this will be a fairly easy look. I'm going to only do a very light amount of reverse stamping, and I'm hoping it'll end up with the look that I have envisioned. I'm going to go ahead and try to get both of these picked up on one stamper, and then I'll get the extras off. And I'm going to do the same with these two, one stamper. Until I'm getting low on that polish. Okay, and then there's a letter right here. I'm going to grab that as well. And that will be the last image. And then I'll get the extras off. Okay, so I want to try to use my Believe Beauty in the color Midnight Snack, which is what I am wearing as the underneath base on my nails. I thought that would be pretty for the middle portion, and then I'm going to look at it and kind of decide something from there. I told you friends yesterday it's cooled off here, and then today, guess what happened? Yep, warm back up, which I don't mind to a point, but I really wish it'd be like in between, because I was like hot earlier. I don't know if I was like hot flashing or just because it was hot out, but I really wish we could have that nice in between weather. So I'm going to go ahead and do this right up in here as well. And Sunday, I just had like a really emotional day because basically something had made me sad, and then I went down this rabbit hole of thinking of all these all these other things that also made me sad, and then it got me thinking about life and just different things. And then I had an appointment the next day, which I mentioned I went to an appointment yesterday. I just didn't get to go, like I didn't get to talk about much of it, but so basically, because I'd been emotional, which means I'd been crying off and on all day Sunday. I actually a little bit that night before too, but everything's okay. It was just something that was just makes me sad. So I got up to get ready for that appointment, and I said, oh my gosh, my eyes were so swollen. I'll go ahead and grab these two and do the same thing since I'm chatting. Yeah, so my eyes were really swollen to the point like even my eye shape looked different, you know what I mean? Like that kind of crying. And I said, oh my gosh, I just look possessed, and they're going to be wondering what in the world's wrong with me. Even with my makeup, I was like, this is just crazy. And it stayed that way that whole day. But y'all know, ladies, sometimes we just have those moments. It's okay. That's why God made us tears, so we can get it out. But yeah, it lasted with me all day. But I was okay after that. Just but you know how it also like wears you out? Like it's literally like you just ran a long distance. Yeah, so that's how I was yesterday. Kind of still a little bit off today, to be honest. But I don't know if it's because I'm not getting enough sun time, or because of that, or a mixture, or just all kinds of things, holidays time, thinking about things. Okay, let's also, I know friends, I'm always using the same colors. I'm just going to do the little stamp on this part. But y'all know, sis likes to blend. Matchy matchy. So I'm thinking that instead of doing that on the entire thing, it would give it maybe a pop better. So if I use Candy Mayo 951 for like the rest of it. Okay, real quick, I'm going to mention to you, if you get these Believe Beauty polishes, I don't know if they're all like that, but for some reason this one, like you can take the cap off, but this one just keeps popping off and it'll startle me because I'll be thinking, oh, the actual cap is coming off. Maybe better just to leave it off, to be honest, but I did want to mention that if you do get them. But I'll just show you, like, that's not, you're not going to be able to tell what I'm trying to say. So it'd be, the whole thing would be, you know, more dark toned if I did that. So again, I just thought it'd be better to bring this one in. So a lot of times I do like to talk real life, you know, because we do go through things and I know it's not always fun, but I do think it's important just because sometimes you may think, oh, well, so and so's life is so much better, whatever, you know. But no, we all go through things, and us ladies especially, we have all kinds of emotions and completely normal. I guess too, it's part of my personality to, I don't know, talk more about real things instead of I'm not good at just acting excited over things if I'm not feeling it. Like if I've been emotional and I'm in that, that's what comes out. So I just go with it because it's just the way I'm feeling. I'm not a good person to, I guess, pretend everything's great and all that all the time. Well, never. I don't ever pretend it's great, but if I try, it's just not my nature. Okay, let's see if this did. And I also do have I have a couple things planned. One is a fun thing. The other thing, two things are just basically real life talk for those that are interested. Some won't be interested, and that's totally fine. And also fitting in the nail stuff. So I have a couple more, let's see, well, what's today? I have a few more fall ones I'm trying to get finished, and then go into the Christmas ones. So I'm trying real hard to get something up every day, at least during the week. That way we can get into the Christmas ones sooner. Now Monday, because I had that appointment, I didn't have an upload for that specific day, but I will do what I can when I can. Basically the same thing. Now I chose that base color I thought would just be a pretty addition, like a kind of a different kind of a fall color. Instead of it also being a brown tone, I thought it would be a pretty pop as well. Got one more thing I do want to do with it also. And I hope none of you are stressing out over like trying to scramble and get Christmas gifts and all that, because that kind of added stress is not good for us. Okay, I know this one's been coming out a lot lately, Paparazzi, Better Helm Up. I'm going to go ahead and do the flowers with that color because I don't want to use a color that's too drastic from everything else. So we'll just do this one. But yeah, I know like when you have little ones to get for, that's kind of different because, they're young and you want to do little fun things for them. But I'll tell you, like, because my children, I have two that are grown, young adults, um, and they're old enough, plenty old enough to know and understand all that stuff and finances and everything. So as they've gotten to that age, we just give them money, whatever we're able to do, to let them, get what they want instead of the stress of trying to figure out what to get and then not liking it or whatever. And then some of my other family, we've kind of just have made the decision to just not even worry about gifts because again, just too much stress and then like just the way things are and it's just difficult and just the importance of just spending time together and enjoying, maybe a nice meal. Okay, we're going to start placing, and I'm going to do this other one first because it ended up being ready before the other one. Using this top coat to apply. This one I'm going to tilt. I'm only going to put one of these on here, so I have to be very careful. Oh, I touched it, so it started to come up. So I will have to fix that. Okay, real quick, this one's ready. Okay, so we'll do this one. I'm also going to tilt this one but towards the opposite direction. And I can tell it's taking longer for this clear coat to be ready than it was because it's goopy. I have one bottle I was starting to use for my own nails, but I thought I had one I was gonna just do for this because I like to keep them separate, just in case polishes get mixed or anything. But I guess I do not have another one. Okay, let's see if I can't get this one on here without messing up again. I think these last two I'm gonna do them upright instead of tilted. Let me grab this other stamper. Of course, this nail's smaller, so a little piece of it it's going to be more curved, of course, because it's smaller. And let's see if my last one's ready. Still going to do one more little thing to it. This one done. Yeah, that's fine. Now I wanted to put this one specifically in the middle because it says giving. So I'm going to get my little brush and touch up right there and there where you can see that the, what do I call that? Cream color kind of, I went over just a bit. By the way, I remembered the word I was trying to think of earlier, masking your feelings. I'm not good at masking my feelings. You can, if you know me, you can pick up that something's off with me pretty quickly. Okay, so I thought it'd be pretty to pull in the LA Colors Finesse, and I have of course used this one before. I do think that's a really pretty color, and especially for fall time I thought that'd be a nice addition and kind of also help, I don't know, like with that blue kind of, I thought would be pretty. So let's try that. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the palette and use this other brush here. to put it around as I want it. I could just wipe it on there. I guess I feel like I just don't want a lot of that clear. So I thought, well, maybe if I can get them on there like it's the way I want, then I won't have to have as much of the clear on there. And I put the other stuff on there before this because otherwise it'll like bump up under a stamped image. I could swipe on there as long as I get some, you know, a little bit where I want, then I could come back and just swipe it. Plus I'll have to kind of let it dry a little. But I think once it's dry and I'm done, I'm going to go through each one and do this. I think it'll be fine. So I will do the rest and be back. Okay, and they're not fully dry. That's okay. I'm going to go ahead and show you. But I did go ahead and swipe it on to get it all around there. I really like it. So I put quite a bit just because I love some glitter, love some shine, bling, all the things. You could matte top coat it if you wanted to, but I'm just going to leave it. I think that'd be really pretty for like if you're going to a fall event, Thanksgiving event, something. I do like the blue with the fall colors, which this kind of, to me, this kind of blue is kind of a fall color, but I think they work well together. You wouldn't have to do the glitter, but for me, I like it. It just gives it an extra oomph. And I also like it having some of them tilted and some up straight, just so it's not completely the exact same going across. And that one says fall, giving, fall y'all. And this one doesn't say anything. And I also do like the two tones. If I would have went with that middle tone on all of it, I don't think it would have popped as well. It would have been more blended, and it kind of matches almost the color tone of the glitters. So I kind of like that contrast in between them. I do hope you enjoyed. I greatly appreciate you watching as always. Thank you so very much. And I will list the plate and the stamping polish I used in the description box. And until the next one, have a blessed day, my friends. Bye.